Continuiamo la ricerca del paguro se... Andiamo a vedere.
Sono 6 mesi che siamo in giro per il mondo. A questo punto mi chiederete, Marco, Nicola, come fai? Sarai estremamente ricco? Ebbene sì, ragazzi.
Ragazze, siamo ricchi, molto ricchi.
Siamo troppo ricchi. Infatti oggi abbiamo devoluto 500.000 euro a un granchio che abbiamo incontrato sulla spiaggia.
I just wanna let you know, yeah. I don't wanna see you go, yeah. I just wanna let you know, yeah. It's you, my only love. You, my only love. I don't wanna see you go, yeah. I just wanna let you know, yeah. I don't wanna see you go, yeah. I just wanna let you know, yeah. This is all I got, it's really all I ever had. This is what I started. Tell my mom, tell my dad, I ain't here to make excuses. I'm here to make my name. Hard face emojis, hey bitch's name. A1 out, A1 drinking, one on home, still here thinking. Keep on missing, keep on drinking. I've been focused on my vision, I'm just here to let you know. No, fuck what you say. I'm here to let it go. Pave my own way, yeah. I don't wanna see you go. I just wanna let you know. I don't wanna see you go.
Camper, Portogallo, Spagna, Francia, Lussemburgo, Svizzera, abbiamo surfato in Svizzera.
I can feel the love. I can really feel it. You looking in my eyes, can you really see the struggle? The missing piece here, better go and find a puzzle. You looking in my eyes, can you really see the struggle? The missing piece here, better go and find a puzzle. And they don't even know my name, but they let those in who look and sound the same. And they don't even see that I'm the change, yeah. I guess those are people you should blame, yeah. I'm tired of the politicking, the game talking how they always needed something different. When I'm right in their face, they don't get the vision. So I'ma keep on doing me now, watch them listen. Looking at myself and my sign,